one is Christie Li from Apex Industries. Where's she at?
好，下一位演讲嘉宾是我们的李小姐 Christie。
Welcome, thank you.
My name is Christie Li, and I represent a company by the name of Apex Industries here in Shanghai. I can't believe it's in 5 years. Time just seemed to fly by. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the MFG team. The growth in the past 5 years has been phenomenal. We all know that China is a complex place to do business. However, this team has handled it with so much ease and sophistication. Aside from the large area there is to cover, the manufacturing landscape is quite different as you travel from south to north. To bring people from all different areas, educational backgrounds, and different age groups to accept this new concept can't be easy. I can just imagine how much hard work there must have been to get here. 我叫 Christie， 然后我是代表上海的雅帕斯贸易上海有限公司，我们公司就在上海。我今天晚上来的主要目的是要恭喜祝贺 MFG 这个公司成立5周年。时间过得非常快，然后5周年来呢，我也看到 MFG 这个公司一直在不断的成长。大家都知道，在中国做生意不是那么简单，然后南北的差异呀、地区的差异呀，带了一个新的概念来到一个不同的国家，然后让所有的人，不管他们的年龄群，不管他们的教育程度，不管他们的那个区域，让大家都能够接受一个在这么短时间内接受一个新的概念，应该是一件很不容易的事情。As a devoted supplier, I'd like to share a few things with you and to express my gratitude for the people in this room who came up with this idea and the team that made it happen. My company is in the manufacturing of plastic and metal parts business, mainly in the furniture hardware industry. In 2006, our business was growing very strong, yet I was worried. We were mainly meeting customers through traditional venues such as shows, trade shows. In addition to that, there were a few online platforms that we tried, but our value was masked by the limited space that we were able to get. Buyers see us as products, not for our capability. I was getting frustrated, tired, and worried. I was frustrated because we have so much potential to make so many different products, and yet our potential is not being seen. I was tired because we were wasting precious time waiting to be contacted. And I was worried because I don't see how we can go to the next level from there. So I want to do something to change. And this was when MFG came to my rescue. I remember the first meeting with MFG. It was their first introductory seminar in China. I signed up for it, but I missed it. I was getting back from a business trip and I landed home late. I called and asked to see if it's still okay to meet, even though the seminar was over. The CEO of MFG, Mitch Free, was nice enough to agree. He sat down with me and explained this great new idea of matching manufacturers with suppliers. You can call me an impulsive buyer, but he had me sold on the spot. We became the first member of MFG since it set foot in China. The growth, looking back, I'm glad I made that move. Starting 2007, business showed signs of slowing down. The growth in business from traditional venue started to decline. At the same time, we were ramping up with MFG. We were getting good results, good ratings, and after a few good ratings posted by customers, everything started to get easier. In addition to bidding, we also got some customer referrals. We also got some buyers who refer us to their business circle. The new business that we were able to generate from MFG has helped us during the slow economic times and enabled us to maintain the growth rate. Through MFG, we've met so many great buyers and companies. It's like going to 10 trade shows in a day. And without the extensive packing, unpacking, preparation, and traveling. It saved us time, money, and most importantly, it allowed me time to get things done. So it's like a shortcut. And normally I don't like taking shortcuts when I work. But that is one proven to work. I've also worked as a buyer sourcing products before. If you think finding a customer is hard, finding a supplier is equally difficult. You won't know who would be the perfect match until you spend time discussing the details with all the potential suppliers. It takes time, research, and some luck. The MFG team goes to a great length to make sure only qualified suppliers will bid on your projects. Therefore, you're already talking to shortlisted suppliers. Another thing I like about MFG is that buyers and suppliers are able to view each other's profile and rating and use that as a reference. This is a lot more controlled than many other online sites. Sorry, I should stop and do the other language. I got carried away. 我们公司最主要是做金属跟塑料的加工件。那在认识 MFG 之前呢，我们最主要是帮美国的一些500强的一些家具企业做家具的配件。那么2006年的时候，就是我认识 MFG 的那一年呢，生意非常好。然后可是那个时候在好的时候，我心里就是隐隐约约有一些危机感，因为我觉得说世界都在发展，可是我们的生意没有跟上这个世界的脚步，可是我又想不出其他什么更好的办法，然后就在那个时候呢，就认识了 MFG， 他们给我带来了一个就是全新的概念，让我通过一个新的渠道可以去认识更多的买家，然后若干年之后呢，再看回去，那就觉得说还好那个时候认识了 MFG， 因为从2007年开始呢，我们以前的有一些世界500强的客户，他们的生意也不太好。那么如果说当时我们没有另辟一条途径的话呢，就是我们等于说是会被他们会带着跟着他们一起，业务量会被他们带下去。认识了 MFG 之后呢，我们很快的就得到了一些买家的注意。然后呢，有一些买家就经过几宗项目之后呢，在网上给我们一些很好的评价。有了几个好的评价之后呢，事情就变得更好办了。那有新的买家就会来联系我们，然后有一些以往的买家也会推荐我们给他的一些就是生意圈子里的朋友。MFG's concept for buyers and suppliers to meet through online quote allowed us to show expertise that would otherwise be very hard to display. It was a new idea that revolutionized the way we source products. For us, it opened up a whole new horizon and transformed our company. Everyone in this room is very lucky to be part of this revolution. Now, 20 years ago, when I graduated from college, someone said to me, "The world is yours to take." And I'm thinking to myself, I'm not interested in taking. I want to give and contribute. I believe that MFG has created a space for great minds to come together, to invent, to make something, and to contribute to the world that we live in. All great companies have something in common. They make changes to our lives. And all great people have something in common. They make a difference. This evening we gather here together to celebrate an important milestone for MFG, a company that's making changes and making a difference. They have changed the way we do business. They have made doing business overseas so much easier, and they help us turn ideas into reality. Let's give our hands up to the people who worked so hard to create and maintain this platform. Thank you, Team MFG, for a wonderful job. We look forward to many more great years to come.